Hello, let's do our activity 4. Okay, let's read the information. Right, in the diagram, PS is parallel to RQ and Q1 is equal to R. Prove that triangle SPQ is similar to triangle PQR. Right, before we do anything, we need to understand or go through the information. So now it says here in the diagram, okay, what PS is parallel to RQ. So what information do we get from that? So it means these are parallel lines. So we may be talking about corresponding angles or alternate angles, even co-interior angles, but now we're talking about equal angles. So it can be alternate angles or corresponding angles. Okay, right. And then B, we have to prove that SP is to PQ is equal to SQ is to PR. And then C, you have to prove that PQ times PR is equal to QS times QR. Now, so what do we do? What's the first thing we do? Remember, we have to match, right? We match the angles. We match the angles. Let me just write here, match angles, right? Okay, right. We are not saying they are equal, but according to the statement, they have to be equal. Then we'll say they are equal once we have proved that. So it means here we have our triangle. Let's just match the angles. So it means here angle S must go with angle P. So angle S should go with angle P, right? And then angle P goes with angle Q. Angle P goes with angle Q. And then angle Q in triangle SPQ goes with angle R. Angle Q goes with angle R. We can even try to identify the angles here. So S in SPQ is angle S. And then P in SPQ is angle P1. Then Q in triangle SPQ is Q1. And then P in triangle PQR is P2. And then Q in triangle PQR is Q2. And then R is angle R there. Okay, right. And then what's the next step? We're saying that in triangle SPQ and triangle PQR. Right, let's go back to our angles. So we said angle Q is equal to angle R, Y, angle Q is equal to angle R, Q1 actually is equal to angle R, Y, because we are given here. See that angle Q1 is equal to angle R. So we can have that. We're starting with the angles of triangle SPQ followed by angles of triangle PQR. So now we're saying angle Q1 is equals to angle R, right? Okay, these are the triangles we're talking about. Let me just highlight them. This is the triangle SPQ, then this is the triangle PQR, and then we're talking about these angles Q1 and R there. So we're given this, so the reason there is given. Okay, right, and then we go to which other pair is equal. Okay, I can say in triangle SPQ, P1 is equal to what? Let's go to P1. P1 is equal to Q2 if you check. Why are they equal? P1 is equal to Q2. These are alternate angles. Right? Alternate angles. And then RQ is equals to, parallel to, not equals to, is parallel to PS. Okay, parallel to PS. And then now we have the third pair. They are going to be equal because what? is third angle of triangle. So angle S is equals to angle P2. So angle S is equals to angle P2, right? Because it's third angle of triangle, right? So now we've proved that. So because it's angle, 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 so that's the condition for what? For similar triangles. Okay, the similar triangles are what? Are equiangular, or their corresponding sides are proportional. So here it means these two triangles are equiangular, right? So we start with our triangle. Therefore, okay, even here you can say therefore triangle SPQ is similar to triangle, right? Angle S goes with angle P. You see that from here? S goes with P. So it's triangle P, and then SPP goes with Q. You see that? Angle Q. And then the last one, Q goes with R. Okay, PQR. And then the reason, you can say angle, angle, angle. Right. Okay. Right. So we've managed to prove that triangle SPQ is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question, B. So now we've managed to prove that triangle SPQ is similar to triangle PQR. So we're going to use that to prove B. So here we prove B. Remember, we said since triangle SPQ is similar to triangle PQR. And then our reason here was angle, angle, angle. Right. So now then we can say that from here SP over PQ, SP over PQ is equals to PQ over QR, PQ over QR is equals to SQ over PR is equals to SQ over PR. And then the reason here we say these are what? Similar triangles. Okay, right. And then now let's check the sides that we are interested in. SP and then SP. PQ, PQ. SQ, SQ. PR, PR. So we say therefore SP over PQ is equals to SQ over PR. Right, can we write this in this form? SP over PQ? Yes, we can, because this is SP over PQ, which can be written as SP is to PQ is equals to SQ is to PR. Done. So that is B there. Remember, I can even use common fractions or equivalent fractions here and say what? And say, okay, we don't need that now. Let me leave it. And then we say that 2 over 5 is equals to 4 over 10. We can write this and say this is like 2 is to 5 is equals to 4 is to 10. Okay, you see that? Yeah, so it's the same thing. Okay, right. Now from here, we're going to do the last part, which is C, and then we'll be done. Let's go to C. Right. And then prove that PQ times PR is equals to QS times QR. So we go back to our similarity. We remember we said that, let me see if I have that. I have it. Perfect. So now we can say from this SP, okay, let me just write it because we did it before. SP over PQ is equals to PQ over QR is equals to SQ over PR. And then the reason here we say similar triangles. Right, okay. Now these ones were similar because of angle, angle, angle. Now we have PQ, 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 PR, PR, QS, QS. SQ and QS is just the same thing. Then QR, QR. So therefore PQ over QR is equals to QS over PR. And then what we do to get this? We can what? If you check here, we can cross multiply. So we can say, therefore, we cross multiply this time this is equals to this time this. And then we say PQ times PR is equals to QS times QR. Done. So we've done our question A, B, and C. We're going to meet in the next activity. Thank you. Goodbye.